This rectangle you can see right now has a 10-point stroke, as you can see right here. So if I have my selection tool selected, and if I come over here to this edge, for example, click, hold my shift key, and downsize this rectangle about this much, release mouse and keyboard, you can see that the stroke remains 10 points, as you can see, even though we have resized our object and made it smaller. And again, if I try to come to this edge, click, hold shift key and make it bigger, no matter how big I go, release mouse then shift key, and select this object, you can see the stroke is still 10 points, it does not change. However, sometimes you'll need your stroke to scale with the size of your object, to change proportionally with the size of your object. In order for you to be able to do that, come over here all the way up to Window, all the way down to Transform. Now you can see this small arrow right here. If you click on it, you can see this drop down menu. Come over here and it says Scale Strokes and Effects. If I go ahead and check this option, let's go ahead and come over here again and you can see it's checked. So let's go ahead and come back here. I have my selection tool selected. I'm going to go ahead, select this object. I'm going to come to this edge, click, hold shift key, and downsize it. Release mouse and shift key, go ahead and deselect. You can see that when you resized your object and made it smaller, your stroke weight up here also went down to 2.1 points. So basically it changed with the resizing you did. And if we come back over here to this object, to this edge, click, hold shift key and make it bigger, about this much, release mouse and keyboard and deselect, you can see that the stroke for this object is now 9.92 points, and that is because it increased proportionally when we increased the size of our object.